guys, today we'll be unboxing something called color changing candy. They are bracelets that you can make that also color change in the sun. I know that they color change pink and purple because I got them all out here. So here's what comes in the box. 10 transfer beads, 8 chip beads. There is also letter beads, alphabet beads. There's 2 different kinds, one square and one like circle, like cookies. And there is also one metal keyring and cord. I've got what I wanted to spell here, which is summer. There's also comes with an instruction guide and a sticker sheet. Let's open up the instruction guide to see how we are going to do it. So I know that first we have to put all of the beads on your cord. First, I'm going to be starting with the color change ones. And then I'm going to start, and then the first of the word, wait, I need to put it. Oh, and P.S. Sorry, I was just speechless. I'm doing the keyring design. There's also a bracelet design, necklace design, and a change design. Watch the beads change from white to color by exposing them to sunlight. And first, okay, now we just need to put the S. I'm gonna move them up like this, and then you're going. Oh yeah, and guys, I got this at Hobby Lobby, 40% off. Just keep on putting the beads on. This is a very unique design. I'm spelling summer, just so you guys know. I think you guys already knew because I already told you, but you may have not heard me. So it's just a keyring design, and we are doing the keyring design. I'm going to show you. Just keep on putting the beads on. Oh, and also you have to tie it at the end before you start, or the beads will fall out. Like double knot it. Guys, the last word of summer is R. It's the start of my name. Pink and purple are my favorite colors. And I also put a sticker on the transfer beads, on a transfer bead. And then I'm going to just put it on the cord. Wait, please. I'm just trying to. And then just push it in. Push it. You can find this in the crafts area or set. Wait, I'm going to put one of these. Just one. Even though this took like lots of, what is it called? I forgot what the word was called. I'm putting the transfer bead back on, and then also they can color change in the sun. There is 8 sheep beads, I think the ancient beads would be my second favorite to the first. Okay, this is just being hard. Wait, I'm going to start all over again. I hope you guys aren't bored. If you are, just please, if you want to go to a different video, just don't. I'm trying my hardest to put the thing. Okay. I'm just trying my hardest, like real bad. Okay, here's how you're supposed to do it. I'm trying to put this bead on. Okay, we're getting closer to putting it on. We're getting closer. Yay! We did it. And now we just need to put it in the keyring. You have to be very careful. First, put it in the loop. You have to double that the end of the cord, so that with a big hole like this, just like this. And I already picked the word of summer for my keyring. Just put the beads on one by one if you haven't started yet. And then we finish success. And also just tight the loop into the ring like I just did here. We've reached success. Yes. Here is a bracelet design that you guys can also do. It's just not going to be on camera for you. Wow, it looks so pretty. Wait, this spells fun. Okay, it's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!